I'm Anil Kumar, and let us explore how to solve a linear system by using a method of substitution. Here is question number 3 for you. Solve and check the linear system y equals to 2x minus 4 and x plus 3y equals to 9. So we are given two equations here that forms a system, two or more equations. Both equations are of lines, so they are linear systems. So let's write down these equations and number them. So first one for us is y equals to 2x minus 4. So I'll write this as equation 1. The second one is x plus 3y equals to 9. We'll write that as equation 2. Now in this particular case, we are already given an equation with one variable in terms of the other variable. So it's kind of simpler example to solve. Normally this may not be given to you like this. In that case you have to isolate the variable. Okay. Now in this case, since the variable is already isolated, we can substitute value of y, which is 2x minus 4, from equation 1 in equation 2. So I'll write substitute y from 1 into 2. Okay, so y is 2x minus 4. We'll write this value here. So what we get here is x plus 3 times 2x minus 4 equals to 9, right? So I hope the step is very clear. So we substituted this value of y here. So we get 3 times 2x minus 4, right? Now let's expand and simplify. We have x plus 3 times 2x is 6x minus 3 times 4 is 12 equals to 9. X plus 6x is 7x. So we can write this as 7x equals to 19 plus 12. 19 plus 12, we can add them up, right? So 2 plus 9 is 11, and then we have 31. So x is equals to 31 divided by, oh, it was 9, not 19. Okay, so 9 plus 12, which is 21. Okay, so it's 21 divided by 7. Now 21 divided by 7 is 3. Okay, so we found the value of x from here. So x is 3 for us. So let us call this as equation 3. Now since we know x, we can always find y from equation number 1, right? We can substitute back the value of x, which is 3, in equation 1, right? So that's what we'll do. That's the next step. So we know x is equals to 3. So we'll sub in equation 1. So if you do that, you get the value of y as 2 times 3 minus 4, which is 6 minus 4, that is 2. So we get y equals to 2. And therefore we can write our solution, and the solution is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Sometimes the question may be find the coordinate points where these two lines intersect. In that case you can write the answer as 3, 2, right? That becomes the coordinate points where x is 3 and y is 2. Well, now let's do the second part, which is check the solution. To check the solution, we have to substitute the x and y values, which we just calculated, and see if we get the right values or not. So the first one is y equals to 2x minus 4. We are saying x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 should satisfy this equation. Let us see if that is true. So if I write y as 2, I get 2 equals to 2 times 3 minus 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is indeed 2. So that is correct, right? Similarly, we can check the second equation, which is x plus 3y equals to 9. X value is 3. So let me write 3 plus 3 times 2 should be equal to 9. 3 plus 3 times 2 is 6, right? 3 plus 6, true, right? So that is also correct. So we've checked that the value satisfies both the equations. Since this value of x and y satisfies both the equation, it is the right solution for our linear system. So that is how we are going to solve and check a linear system like this. Thank you and all the best.